Hello guys, welcome back with me. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Indian authorities freeze more crypto funds over money laundering allegations. The Indian Directorate of Enforcement froze $46.4 million in the accounts of Faud's Indian branch until the exchange can account for the criminal proceeds it transferred out of the country. India's Directorate of Enforcement or ED announced Friday that it has frozen the financial accounts of Bengaluru-based financial service company Yellow Tune Technologies, some of which were held by Flipfold crypto exchange, the Indian branch of Singaporean Vault. The move is linked to an ongoing investigation into money laundering by China-linked instant loan companies. This is the second time this week the agency has taken action in the crypto sphere in connection with that case. The financial watchdog announced it was freezing Yellowstone's bank balance, payment gateway balances and balances in the Flipfold cryptocurrency exchange for a total of 3.7 billion rupees or 46.54 million dollar after determining that the company was a shell entity incorporated by two Chinese nationals using pseudonyms. According to newspaper accounts, the ED spent 3 days searching premises associated with Yellow Tunes. The ED uncovered 23 entities that had deposited funds into Yellow Tunes Flipfold wallets that were further transferred out of the country. The ED was sharply critical of Flipfold's handling of the funds. The agency said, lacks KYC (Know Your Customer) norms, loose regulatory control of allowing transfer to foreign wallets without asking any reason or declaration, non-recording of transaction on blockchain to save costs etc., has ensured that Flipfold is not able to give any account for the missing crypto asset. It has made no sincere effort to trace these crypto assets. Citing India's Prevention of Money Laundering Act of 2002, the ED Frost Fund in Flipfold's account equivalent to the sums it transferred from Yellowtune's wallet to foreign wallets till complete fund trail is provided by the crypto exchange. The ED called those funds nothing but proceeds of crime derived from predatory lending practices. The attachment of the Flipfold fund is just the latest bad news for Fold. The Singaporean exchange cut its staff by 30% in June and halted withdrawals from its account at the beginning of July. Later that month, it sought protection from its creditors in Singapore. It was granted a 3-month moratorium, which is similar to U.S. Chapter 11 bankruptcy. It was reported earlier this week that the ED had frozen accounts holding $8.1 million of the funds of crypto exchange WazirX and was investigating at least 9 more exchanges with ties to Chinese-backed instant loan companies. The ED noted in its latest communique that its investigation of that case is ongoing. Maybe just that from me. Thank you for listening. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Goodbye.